fraction addition. We're going to start with addition of like fractions. So when you have like fractions, your denominators would be the same. That means all you would do would be add the numerators and keep the denominators the same. So here, for this first example, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And then the 4 stays the same because it's the same on both. So you can simplify this into 1 and 2/4 because 6 goes into 4 one time and you have 2 left over. And this simplifies again to 1 and 1/2 because 2/4 is 1/2. Here the denominators are the same again. So 5 plus 6 is 11/7. This simplifies into 1 and 4/7. This one, again, the denominators are the same. So all we do is we add the numerators. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28 divided by 25. So 28 goes into 25 once. That means we have one whole number. And then we have 3 left over 25. So 23 over 100 plus 54 over 100. So we know that the denominators are the same. So all we have to do is we have to add the numerators. And that's where we get 23 plus 54 is 77 divided by 100 or over 100. Now 77 doesn't go into 100, so we just leave it right there. Denominators are the same. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 over the denominator. Denominators are the same at 10. So 8 plus 4 is 12 over 10, which is equal to 1 and 2/10, which is equal to 1 and 1/5. Now, addition of unlike fractions. For this, it's a little different because we need the denominators to be the same. We can't just add 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 3. That doesn't work like that. So what we can do is we take the first fraction, 1/2. We multiply it by the second denominator and the second over the second denominator. So over itself. So 1/2 times 3 over 3 plus we take the second fraction, 2/3. We multiply it by the first denominator now. So 2 over 2. So then we're left with 3 over 6 because 1 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. So the denominator is 6 plus 2 times 2 is 4 over 3 times 2 is 6. So this leaves us with 7 over 6, which is 1 and 1/6. Same process here. 8 divided by 12 is the first fraction. You multiply by the second denominator over the second denominator again. Plus 8 over 11 is the second fraction. You multiply it by 12, which is the first denominator, over 12, first denominator again. So let's start with the denominator here. 12 times 11 is 132. So that's your first denominator, and your second denominator is going to be the same thing because it's just 11 times 12. So plus 132. Now your numerators. 8 times 11 is 88. Now 8 times 12 is 96. Now you just add them together. Add your numerators together because now your denominators are the same. 88 plus 96 is equal to 184 over 132 because your denominators are the same. You can simplify that down because 184 goes into 132 once. 2 over 7 plus 6 over 10. Same process. 2 over 7 multiplied by the second denominator over itself plus 6 over 10 multiplied by the first denominator over itself. So 2 times 10 is 20 over 7 times 10 is 70 plus 6 times 7 is 42 over 10 times 7 is 70. So we have 20 over 70 plus 42 over 70. Our denominators are the same. So Our answer is 20 plus 42 is 62 over 70. That's our final answer. Last one, 1 over 6 is the first fraction multiplied by the second denominator, 11 over 11, plus the second fraction, 6 over 11, multiplied by the first denominator over itself, 6 over 6. So then this becomes the denominator is 6 times 11 is 66. The numerator, 1 times 11 is 11, plus 11 times 6 is 66. 6 times 6 is 36. So 36 plus, now that our denominators are the same, 66 is our new denominator. 11 plus 36 is 47. And that's our final answer.